Lee McCown of Castlewood, Virginia is our PaintedAutoParts.com Motorhead of the Week, and Lee is a hero in my book, well, anybody's book for that matter. He's a disabled Afghanistan veteran and is a 31-year veteran police officer. Now, Lee says working on cars is therapeutic, and he tells us his love for old hot rods was embedded in his soul from the day he was born. Those are his words. Lee says he's only been able to work on his cars for a few hours here and there, but I'd say he's done quite well considering that. Just check out what's in Lee's garage here. The car that's closest to being finished, it's this great-looking 1967 Camaro SS RS 396. There's a 1926 Model T, a 1957 3200 pickup truck, a 68 C10 step-side truck, and a 1986 IROC Z28. And we can't neglect the 2003 Corvette Z06. It only has 30,000 miles on it. Can you believe that? Lee's about ready to do the cam and exhaust for a little extra punch. Thank you so much for your selfless service, Lee McCown. We are proud to make you our PaintedAutoParts.com Motorhead of the Week. Lee reached out to us at MotorheadGarage.tv, and you can do the same. Just tell us why you or someone you know should be our Motorhead of the Week. Look, you don't have to be a collector. You don't have to be a mechanic. You just have to love things that go. And oh, by the way, we've got to go, but we're going to have another episode of Motorhead Garage presented by DragonfireTools.com next week. We hope you join us then. Drive safely.